Hello everyone. AnyLogic is a multi-method simulation software used for modeling complex systems. It's particularly popular in fields such as logistics, manufacturing, transportation, and supply chain management. The AnyLogic Road Traffic Library enables users to plan, design, and simulate traffic flows at a detailed physical level. The library's predefined algorithms account for typical driving regulations like speed control or collision avoidance. Each vehicle represents an agent that can have its own physical parameters and behavior patterns. This, partnered with the possibility of creating 2D and 3D models of each vehicle and its surroundings, makes traffic models flexible and visual. Road traffic models simulate traffic on streets and highways, including intersections, crosswalks, roundabouts, parking lots, and bus stops. Software capabilities is 1. Carrying out road and highway planning. 2. Assessing roadway capacity and throughput, and evaluating traffic congestion level. 3. Completing traffic light schedules. 4. Integrating public buildings into a road network. In this video, I will show you how to create a basic road traffic simulation step by step. Just like you see the video now. We will show how to use road, intersection, traffic light, and road network. Road traffic models can be animated in 2D and 3D for better visualization. We will show how to animate in 3D too. Let us create a new project. Initially, there are 4 important windows. 1. Projects is keep information about projects that we create. 2. Palette is keep multi-libraries. Road traffic library can be found in this window. 3. Property is keep the variables or option objects that we select. 4. Main is where we create objects such as roads or logic. Let us create road from the library. Double-click on the road icon and draw road at the main window. This time we will build a road with the direction heading towards the intersection. You can see Property tab has information about the road that you created. You can modify parameters such as length of road, number of lanes. At this time we modify the length of the road to about 1.5 kilometers. We can drag objects based on what we want to design. We want to modify the number of lane of the main road change from 2 lane to 3 lane. And change traffic of road to left hand also. Now let's add an intersection. You can drag the intersection from the library and drop it to a position near the road. AnyLogic is automatically connected when the position between is near enough. We can use a cursor at the keyboard to move the object to the left, right, or up and down. Now let we more control intersection direction as we want to design. You can click at intersection and highlight to len that you want to control the double click to enable or disable direction. Okay, let we design this road call road A. Let we design this road call road B. Let we design this road call road X. Let we design this road call road E. Now let us create logic to control car that create on road A and move to road B. We need to create car source for create car on road. We need to create output 5 from material handling library for multi-direction of car. We need to create car move to for control direction of car. We need to create car dispose like exit of car from simulation. Software will connect automatic when you drag icon near each other. You can remove the connection or double-click to connect to each other. We try to test the simulation for small steps. For this time we have only one exit, so we need to modify the select output 5 property to 0 for exits 2 to 5. At the car source, we modify the property tab to let create a car at road A and enter from the forward lane. Modify move to box in property tab. Change destination to road B. Remember that the forward lane or backward lane depends on your road direction. At this time all road directions are heading toward the intersection. Let us check the simulation result. To avoid big mistakes we will modify small steps and check by running a simulation. Now we are done. Car move from road A to road B. We can see a number of cars at logic also. Now we would like to copy the Carmovito box. You can hold the control key and drag it to another area. Rename Carmovito box the same as proposed that you want, such as car move to B, car move to X, and car move to Y. Connect them with select output 5 and change the property of exit. Connect them to car dispose. Modify select output 5 probability. Let we check simulation result. It looks good. Now we want the car to move from road B to road A. We just copy and modify parameters as we did before. Change to road B. Check the simulation result again. It looks good. Now we will control car direction to road X and road E by connecting each other. Modify select output 5 probability. Check the simulation result. It looks good. Now we want to control car move from road X to road E. We do the same as we did before. Sorry that I forgot to modify select output 5 probability. Now we connect to another exit that can solve a problem too. It looks good. Now we want to control car move from road E to road X. We do the same as we did before. It looks good. We expand the frame for the result page bigger that will affect when we run the simulation. Now we drag the traffic light icon and drop near the intersection. We select the intersection name and add the traffic light phase. Each phase takes 60 s. The yellow phase takes 3 s. Change the color from red to green by double-click. Test the simulation result. It looks good. Now we drag the road network icon and drop near the intersection. Select the road network that we draw. Turn on Option Density Map of Road Network. Check simulation result. It looks good. Now we would like to convert a 2D to a 3D model that it's better visual. For Display 3D we need to create a 3D window from Presentation palette. We can use 3D objects from palette too. Select some buildings and drag and drop near the intersection. We check whether the simulation results affect 3D or not. Now you can see the 3D object, but the car is still a box object. For an easy way to create a 3D car. It's a copy car, for example. Open the example city square in the road traffic column. Open project windows. You can see car, bus, truck. Right-click and copy to our project each object. In the Advanced tab we need to change the option after we paste. Change option extends another agent to none. Close example project. And save our project. Change the agent at the CarSource Property tab. Change to bus. Copy one more and change to truck. Let us see the effect. Now you can see truck and bus on 2D and 3D too. Sorry that I forgot to copy the car from the example that need to open and copy again. The car that we copied has some code for creating the random colors of the car. You can see on Startup at Property tab. Change car source to the car agent. Copy bus and truck to car source or road B also. Sorry that I forgot to change the car source bus and truck to the road B property. That is why we cannot see bus and truck created on road B. Change agent to car. Change to road B. Change to road B. Let us see the simulation result. Change agent to car. Change agent to car. It looks good. We can reduce the number of bus and truck from 1,000 to 100 per hour. Road infrastructure planning is always a challenge, with the need to avoid congestion, allow for traffic growth, and meet the requirements of budgets and the city environment. For planners is necessary to forecast the effects on traffic flow. When integrating major public buildings, such as airports, stations, and stadiums into a network, or planning their on-site roads, their impact must be considered. traffic light sequencing and timing, and placement of road network objects, such as parking bays, bus stops, and access lanes, all have a direct influence on traffic flow and capacity. AnyLogic is used for throughput analysis, including generating statistics for congestion and traffic jams. AnyLogic is used for traffic light timing and sequencing to develop system-wide optimization. AnyLogic simulation modeling provides a road traffic library, enabling traffic flow simulation with the power to deliver the most efficient road traffic engineering and design. Clear visualizations quickly aid development, with density maps highlighting congestion and animations demonstrating traffic flow and bottlenecks. The freedom to experiment and the ability to optimize accurate models with traffic simulation software provides the best platform for success in road traffic planning and engineering. Thank you for watching our channel. For more information or requests, can contact via email wicchai@miplm.com.